I've been through the fire, I've walked through the storm, carried my burden since the day I was born. But the sun still rises after the darkest night, and I hold on strong to the guiding light. I rise again, from the ashes I stand, with the earth below and the sky in my hand. No chains can hold what the Spirit defends. I fall, I bend, but I rise again. Voices try to break me, shadows try to win, but I know my soul is pure deep within. Every scar I wear, every tear I've cried, built the man I am with strength and pride. I rise again, from the ashes I stand, with the earth below and the sky in my hand. No chains can hold what the Spirit defends. I fall, I bend, but I rise again. Oh, Jah, guide my steps when the road gets rough. Lift me up when I've had enough. Every trial, every pain, it shapes my way, but I'm still here. I'm here to stay. Now I walk with peace, I move with grace. No bitterness left in this sacred space. I forgive, I learn, I give thanks and grow. Like a river flowing, I let it go. I rise again, from the ashes I stand, with the earth below and the sky in my hand. No chains can hold what the Spirit defends. I fall, I bend, but I rise again. I rise again, higher and higher. Jah, Jah,